son, where'd you find this?
Ever since I put the game in the chokehold, niggas informants, they running their mouth, that they running, they talk to the po-po. I'm an untouchable, they get emotional, that's why I keep me a fofo. Next time I need me a bolo, I'm never a dojo. When it comes to this money, you niggas is so-so. Jealousy, you selling me out, now agents is taking my photo. I'm back on the map and I'm solo. You backstabbing niggas a no-go. I know some niggas that's more hoes than some of these bitches. I know some hoes with no soul, them bitches is killers. I come from the block, I've been on the road, I'm constantly selling my shows. Anything goes when you on the street, nobody don't sleep to the cold. I know niggas gon' talk, just like they hoes, that pressure be making them fold. My money longer, my nigga stronger, I'm really doing the most for show. These niggas ain't solid, these niggas ain't valid, I really don't care nothing about them. My diamonds is wet like a fountain, they rocking, I'm priming the trust like a mount. This paper I'm counting, coming in constantly popping. Niggas stop bitching about it, niggas be hoes, all in their feelings about it, ain't never gon' do shit about it.